was an alkie and more like a friend. Had 3 different kids from 3 different men, and that's just the way shit was. Couldn't change it, couldn't rearrange it, so there it was. Anyway, the 2 kept on with the phone calls, notes, and so on and so on. And after the bullshit button, that day came when the 2 started fucking all the time. You know kids' habits, every single day, fucking like rabbits, sneaking out the car when he was 15, climbing in the window and fucking all night. See, fucking after lunch in the junior high bathrooms, drinking champagne and tripping on mushrooms. His dick was metal, her pussy was a magnet. 9th grade came,
I'm pregnant.
shit got frantic, and man, oh lord, it was a tough decision, but they decided to abort it. It might have been right, it might have been wrong, but one thing's for sure, it really fucked his head up. Where is it? Who is it? How is it? Was it right? These are the things he thought in bed at night. A lot of people might laugh at this, but fuck them, they don't know the half of it. Ain't no sunshine when you're low, I'm low. People tell me life's a game I'm not playing. Bitches don't mean shit to me anymore. I have taken my pros, I'm still standing. Now as time went on, the 2 kept on. They kept seeing each other off and on. See, she moved to the city and you know what happened. Black chick with a real white accent. Pretty girl in the ghetto, go figure. Yeah, she got macked by some dope dealing nigga. Still seeing that other kid on the side. She kept most of her thoughts inside. See, all the first guy did was just love her, while that punk motherfucker used to beat her and punch her. She was living all wild. I think all she ever wanted was the love of her own child. She asked the first guy to have this baby. He looked at her like she must be crazy. He was making records and going on tour. 20,000 people hip hopping on the floor and all that, while she sat at home that got macked. If she stepped out of line, she got slapped. And then one day, she prayed to the Lord to take that guy away. And he did. He got caught with a loaded gun and went to jail, but first she had his son. Ooh, and now what to do? She had no man, no money, and no clue. Now the other guy came back from touring, and she called him up.